Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add background image on Framer. So first you just have to simply log into your account. Now as you can see, if you double tap or tap this blank page and go to the right side, you can see an option here that says add image or image box in order for you to add or import image. So what we're going to do is we're going to add an element here. By tapping this plus icon, we're going to add like a landing page or a form. Everything is up to you. You can see also the layout here. So for example, if you want to add something, for example, from section or from any of these features and options right here, you just have to click. But this time I'm going to add from sections and I'm going to tap this one. And let's just say if you wanted to change the background, so all you have to do is to double click and you should see an image box right here where you can import or add an image. Okay, choose image. Now this time I'm going to introduce to you Canva. I will be adding or creating an image here with my Canva. So here's my Canva. I have added some elements and objects here, change the font style. And the good thing about this Canva is that it's a free editing tool. So you can edit everything here, such as logos and designs or any presentations that you like. Okay, so once you're done, then all you have to do is to tap share and then download this as PNG. Go back to your framer and then add this image. As you can see, this is what it looks like, and feel free to edit this with the font style and font size that you want. Once done, you can now click this add section right here and then add a new page. So let's just say from section again and then double click, choose an image and then import an image here. So basically that's how you easily add background image on Framer. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.